Are you worried you will lose money when it's time to sell your home? I see it happen all the time, and that's why I'm here to save you from the costly mistakes I see every day. So stick around and learn all about it. Hey there, I'm Dawn D'Amico, your trusted realtor, and welcome to Maximize Your Home. Whether you're selling, buying, or just sprucing up, I'm here to share the best tips and tricks. So hit that like button and subscribe so you don't lose out down the road. Let's talk about the secret weapon buyers have these days. Knowledge. Buyers aren't just casually browsing, they're amateur professionals. They know your neighborhood, they know your competition, and they can spot an overpriced home a mile away. Think about it. Buyers today have access to tools like Zillow, Redfin, and all kinds of other apps. They've practically turned house hunting into a science. They've studied the market. They know that the house down the street sold for $500,000 with granite countertops, hardwood floors, and a finished basement. If your home is priced higher and doesn't offer those same perks, well, guess what? They'll scroll right past your listing without a second thought. Here's the issue. Pricing your home too high sends the wrong message. That means fewer showings, fewer offers, and more time sitting on the market, which is the real kiss of death. The longer a home sits, the more buyers start to wonder, what's wrong with this house? But here's the other side of the coin. Underpricing. Sure, listing your home lower than the market value might bring in more attention, but it can also mean leaving money on the table. That's why finding the right price is so important. It's all about balance. That's where a great real estate agent comes in with a carefully planned strategy that involves analyzing comparable sales, studying current market trends, and understanding what buyers are looking for right now. Remember, buyers today are savvy. They've done their homework, and now it's time for you to do yours. So if you're ready to set the perfect price and make your home the one everyone's talking about, give me a call today, and let's get started. Let's get real. First impressions matter, and that's especially true when it comes to selling your home. Imagine you're a buyer walking up to a house for the first time. The doorbell is broken, the screen on the front window is torn, and the front porch light is out. What's your first thought? Probably something like, if they didn't bother to fix these small things, what else is wrong with this house? Let's start with the basics. Stand at the curb and really look at your house, like you're seeing it for the very first time. What stands out? Is there peeling paint, loose shingles, or a garden that's gone wild? Now, walk up to your front door. Is it clean? Does it need a fresh coat of paint? Even these small details can make your home feel cared for and inviting. Inside, it's the same story. Walk through your home like a buyer would. Check for squeaky doors, dripping faucets, or even mold in the shower corners. Yes, I said mold. It might just be a little buildup you're used to, but to a buyer, it screams neglect. And trust me, nothing kills the mood faster than the sight of mold. Check your walls. Is there dingy paint or outdated wallpaper that make your home feel tired? A fresh coat of neutral paint works wonders. Buyers love move-in ready homes, and clean walls are an easy way to give that impression. Here's the bottom line. These little repairs aren't just about appearances. They show buyers that your home is well maintained. These affordable fixes can make a big difference in your bottom line. When buyers feel confident that the home has been cared for, they're more likely to make an offer. If you're ready to get your home ready to sell and need my help, give me a call today. Together, we'll make sure your home is ready to make a great first impression. Let's talk about transforming your home into a buyer's dream. Decluttering and staging aren't just fancy terms, they're powerful tools that can make all the difference when selling your home. Buyers need to walk in and picture themselves living there, not you. Start with decluttering. I know parting with your things is tough, but this isn't just about getting rid of them forever, it's about showcasing your home's space. Collections can steal the spotlight, whether it's your Star Wars memorabilia, porcelain doll collection, or vintage spoons. Buyers might spend more time admiring your treasures than your home. We want them to leave thinking, wow, this space is perfect for me, not, that's the house with all the spoons. Next, remove your personal photos. When buyers walk through, they should feel like the house could be their future home. Let them picture their own memories on those walls. Now let's talk about staging. The goal is to highlight the home's best features, not overwhelm the buyer with bold decor. That bright red rug might be your favorite, but in photos, it can dominate the space. Neutral tones, soft lighting, and a pop of greenery work wonders. Plants bring life to the room and make it feel fresh. Just make sure they're alive. Here's a showing tip. Turn on every light in the house. Walking into a bright, inviting home feels completely different than stepping into a dark, shadowy space. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel lively and welcoming. Remember, less is more. A decluttered, staged, and well-lit home helps buyers see themselves living there, and that's what sells homes. If you're ready to transform your home and want guidance on where to start, give me a call. Together, we'll get your home ready to wow every buyer who walks through the door. Thanks for spending time with me here on Maximize Your Home. We tackled some of the biggest home selling mistakes, from pricing your home just right, to making those small but important repairs, to decluttering and staging like a pro. If this episode gave you some new ideas and helped you feel more confident about prepping your home for buyers, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to make the most of your home sale. And as always, if you have questions or just want to chat about your own selling journey, drop a comment below. Let's keep maximizing your home together.